So we're really making Bara Brith ice cream.
I'm gonna convince you. You're gonna love this.
Okay, are you up?
So ice cream. So we're going to basically make a vanilla ice cream, and then flavour it with Bara Brith and the Penderyn whiskey.
Right.
So make it lovely in Welsh. Okay, so I'm going to add my milk. Don't ask me for quantities now. They're in the red link down below.
Link below.
I gotta be honest, some of my recipes I do know off by heart, but not all of them.
So these are just pre-weighed? Yeah?
These are pre-measured, yes.
Right.
I think it's 300 ml of milk, if off the top of my head, whole milk, and 300 of the double cream.
Yeah.
So we're just going to heat that gently.
Yep.
If you want to cut up some of the Bara Brith for me, and then we're going to sort of turn it into crumbs with our fingers and put them in the bowl.
Oh, right.
And then I'm going to just separate my eggs, egg whites and egg yolks separate.
Are you doing that by hand?
How do you do it? How do you do it?
No, I do it by hand, like, because I can bake. It's just, remember Dan in the tent with me? He actually owns an egg separator.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, that's because he don't know what he's doing.
So I've got about 115 grams of golden caster sugar to go in my ice cream. I'm going to put about half in the liquid and half in my egg. Then I'm going to just gently heat this until I start to see bubbles forming. So it needs to be quite warm. It's a bit like making custard. Do you make custard?
Yeah. But it's basically, that's what ice cream is, isn't it? It's iced custard.
That's right, yeah.
So, throw it over now.
Yes, please.
Ooh. Now, I noticed you're not using a vanilla pod.
Yeah.
But the prices of them these days, actually the vanilla bean paste, I think is just as good, even though that's quite expensive as well.
It is quite expensive, but it goes a lot further. Yeah. You keep an eye on that for me, and I'm going to whip up now my egg yolks and half of my golden caster sugar until it starts forming ribbons. There we are, so that's how we want it, forming ribbons.
I think this is nearly there.
Okay, fabulous, thank you. So I'm going to add a little bit of this now hot liquid into our egg mixture to slacken it before I add the rest.
Why don't I do one go? You don't know?
You know I don't know.
It's because you could curdle it. You could cook the eggs before.
Oh yeah, it'll turn into scrambled eggs. Yeah, no, I know that. What's that?
What? Do you know on there?
So I'm going to put this back on the heat now. Ooh, look, until it starts to thicken and coat the back of a spoon. You can use the whisk anymore now, I'm going to move to a wooden spoon. Do you like my whisk, by the way?
I do like your whisk.
It's from Masterclass. It's got like an extra, I don't know why, but I really like it.
It's supposed to be better for whipped cream.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's like a double whisk.
I just love it. I'm looking after this one. It's normally get stuffed in the drawer my blue whisks and they go all misshapen. Yeah. We're going to just heat this gently now until it coats the back of a spoon.
Yeah.
And then that's pretty much done. So again, nice and easy. And then we'll add the Bara Brith and the Penderyn when it's in the ice cream machine.
Right. Beautifully kept, buddy.
It's very beautifully kept. We need to crumb it now though.
Spoiling my decoration.
Yes.
I spent ages getting that nice.
Yeah. So do you want to crumb that now?
Crumb it?
Yeah.
What's crumb it?
So like, to crumb it.
Crumb it?
Crumb it. You literally just break it up with your fingers.
Ah, right.
Into crumbs.
Into crumbs. That's why it's called crumbing, is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna coin that phrase.
That's crumbing.
Crumbing.
So the new English word for breaking things into crumbs is crumbing.
Crumbing. Are you a custard person or a creme anglaise person?
Well, I think that there was two different things.
Oh, right, okay.
Custard's what you have like in your house, just done quick, but creme anglaise without. Basically, if I see little bits, I think creme anglaise.
Little bits. Oh, right, okay. Well, apparently the difference is you don't add corn flour to creme anglaise, and you add corn flour to custard. Which I learnt on Britain's Best Cook, because everyone kept making creme anglaise, and I kept going, what? No. And it's custard.
It is the same.
I made orange custard, and Mary Berry said she would drink it if she could, which was nice. Because I like making custard. Right, so I'm going to pop this back into the bowl now.
Yeah.
And you've got a couple of choices. You can put it over ice and then whisk it so it doesn't get a skin, or you can just whisk it every couple of minutes to stop getting a skin, which is that way to it.
We made the custard.
So we made the custard, and that one's cooling over there. And we want another blue pizza moment, which I love, which is the custard I made last night, which is now nice and cold, ready to go in my ice cream machine. And This is my ice cream machine. This has been frozen now for about 24 hours.
Yeah.
So it's really cold. Yeah. And this is churning it.
Yeah.
The way my mother used to make it, she didn't used to have an ice cream machine when I was little, was she'd put it in a Tupperware box and she would turn it and mix it every half hour, which works really well as well. Put the lid on. So we've got the ice cream machine all set up. So I'm going to turn it on now. And then I'm going to slowly pour in my custard. And it takes between 20 and 25 minutes to turn into ice cream.
So we just pour this in as it's turning with the whiskey.
Yes. So you can start dropping it in now.
Am I doing this right?
No, I don't know. You've got to bake off. Yes, I done. Yeah.
A little bit of Bara Brith. A little bit of whiskey.
I think that's probably enough for now.
Yeah.
I'm glad you like my Bara Brith. It's fine.
Maybe the ice cream takes a while, so I'm having a bit of a break. Oh, how you doing?
I'm still working.
I'm just here for the wine. Here for the Bara Brith. Any more scotch going in there?
This is not spam.
Any more Welsh whiskey going in there? How's it looking?
I think we're there, John. So we've got a nice soft sort of serve ice cream.
Yeah.
Do you want to have a taste?
Yeah, go
Is that
for
too much? Because you don't fancy it.
No. We'll try.
So we're tasting now to make sure we've got enough Bara Brith and that the whiskey's coming through.
Oh, the whiskey's definitely coming through. And the Bara Brith is adding like a texture to it.
And they're like mixed spice sort of. Oh,
I may have been wrong.
Definitely been wrong. Wrong.
That is so nice.
Nice. So we'll put it in the container now. We'll freeze it. Taking your spoon off you right now.
Oh no, that's really nice. So what are we doing now?
So I'm just going to put it into a container now, and then I'll cover that, and I'll go in the freezer then to firm up, because at the moment it is a bit soft.
Yeah, but it is ice cream, so it
is ice cream, yeah.
crystallise anymore.
No, and it's all churned and it's nice and sort of creamy and fluffy, just as we want our ice cream, really. Ice cream!
Yes, that's looking lovely. All nice and set.
Yes, so now all we've got to do is make the cheesecake and then you can actually have some.
I don't think you need me cheesecake. I just think I need it all anyway.
I'm going to eat this when you've gone.
No, that's great.
With a spoon.
No way. No way, you go, yeah.
So, yeah, if you like the look of this, we're going to be putting it together with Welsh cake cheesecake in the other videos that we're going to be doing, which are going to be linked down below, ready for Cindy would say. Stop it. Okay. And thanks very much for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon. Or you seeing us soon. Thanks very much.
Bye. Cheers, bye.